Dear passengers, this is your captain speaking. We shall soon be arriving at your destination. You are about to be the historic witness of our first landing at the newly constructed international extension of the Cox's Bazar airport. Even large planes like the Boeing 777 can comfortably land on the 10,700 feet long runway. With this extension, the Cox's Bazar airport has moved a step further toward becoming an ultra-modern and international standard airport. The new extension has significantly increased the passenger and cargo transport capabilities of the new airport and added many new beneficial features to it. The highest quality precision approach Cat 1 lighting system ensures that the standard operations of the airport would not be interrupted even at night or during adverse weather conditions. This extension and modernization of Cox's Bazar Airport is yet another realization of the far-reaching plans of Sheikh Hasina, our Honorable Prime Minister. On behalf of the Civil Aviation Authorities, we would like to extend our greetings and heartiest congratulations upon accompanying us on this historic flight.